Hello friends, welcome to Unified Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 25th June. Let's start. In the year of 1529, on this day Mughal ruler Babur conquered Bengal and returned to his capital Agra. In the year of 1788, on this day Virginia became the 10th state to adopt the US Constitution. In the year of 1900, on this day Lord Mountbatten, a British statesman, Navy chief and the last Viceroy of India was born. In the year of 1908, on this day, the country's first woman chief minister Sucheta Kriplani was born. She was the first woman chief minister of India, serving as the head of the government of Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. In the year of 1931, on this day, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, the eighth Prime Minister of India, was born. In the year of 1941, on this day, Finland declared an attack on the Soviet Union. In the year of 1947, on this day, Anne Frank Diary of a Young Girl was published. It was sold 30 million copies and was translated into 67 languages. In the year of 1950, on this day, a civil war broke out between North and South Korea, which later took the form of the International Cold War. In the year of 1975, on this day, Manoj Kumar Pandey, an Indian soldier honored with Paramveer Chakra, was born. In the year of 1975, on this day, on the advice of the Congress government led by Indira Gandhi, President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed announced the imposition of emergency in the country. In the year of 1983, on this day, India became the winner of the Cricket World Cup for the first time. Under the captaincy of Kapil Dev, the Indian team defeated West Indies by 43 runs at the Lords. In the year of 1993, on this day, Kim Campbell became the 19th Prime Minister of Canada. In the year of 2005, on this day, Mahmoud Ahmadinejad, considered a highly radicalized Iranian presidential election, won. In the year of 2008, on this day, the government of Uttar Pradesh reduced the stamp duty on it from 8% to 5% by making the registration of houses and plots cheaper. In the year of 2009, announced on this day that Colombia entered recession after seeing 0.7% contraction in the last quarter of 2008 and 0.6% in the next quarter. In the year of 2009, on this day, Michael Jackson, who wrote the new definition of music and dance, died. In the year of 2017, on this day, Indian badminton player Kidambi Srikanth won the Australia Open Super Series title. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Cabinet had given its approval to declare Kushinagar Airport in Uttar Pradesh as an international airport. The move is expected to improve air connectivity and boost domestic and international tourism. In the year of 2020, on this day, the International Monetary Fund estimated that the Indian economy is expected to contract by 4.5% this fiscal amid the COVID-19 pandemic and the nationwide lockdown imposed earlier. In the year of 2020, on this day, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps planned to set up its permanent military base in the Indian Ocean. Iranian Navy Commander Rear Admiral Ali Raja Tangsiri announced that the military base is expected to be developed by March 2021. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.